multiplication. That was I asked. Uh, Sir, that formula only valid for when M, N or R is large. For small, that formula will not work,
That is
sir.
correct. Who are you speaking, Prakash?
Yes, sir, I'm Prakash, sir.
Yes. So I send you a mail. That formula, you see, after some time, some limit on truncation will be coming. Could you understand this?
Yes, sir.
So now you try to design a formula for a square matrix. Suppose the matrix is n cross n, then you make a formula. Is this
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes, sir. For that I make it.
In that way, you can do it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Any other doubt? Any person? Any person has any doubt, you can discuss. Yes, students, today we shall talk about the BCD numbers. And what are BCD numbers? ABCD is a BCD number. Basically, it is a decimal number. So it can take the value from 0 to 9. And so what we mean to say is this: if you write 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 are not possible. Is this correct? Now, we shall see what extra work is done because of BCD number. And we shall also see how the work is saved. Is it correct? Now, we shall study how to increment a BCD number. Is it correct? So if our input is this, then our output will be 0, 1, 1, 0. Suppose our input is this. What will be output? Let me see who can type the fastest. If my input is this, what will be the output? Let me see who can type it fastest. Wrong, wrong, wrong. Till now, everyone is wrong. Till now, only 2 people are correct till now. Venkat. Who is this Venkat? Not this Venkat. Chintala Pati Venkat. Chintala Pati Venkat. And Swaroop, you type your roll number. Chintala Pati Venkat and Swaroop, type your roll number. You see, it is a wrong input, impossible input. It is an impossible input. Is it correct? Now, we are talking about binary numbers. PQRS is a binary number. Is it correct? In this, 3 is added. In this, 1 is added. Type the condition for carry. Amara, what are you trying to do? I don't know. तुम कहाँ confuse हो गए हो? कौन सी logic? Today you assume it is a fresh lecture and it has nothing to do with the past background. Is this correct? Yes. Okay, Amara? Okay. Now, condition for carry is what? That is correct. All PQRS must be true. Many people wrote it, so I am not recording the roll number. Now, a BCD number ABCD is incremented. Type the condition for carry. Let me see who can type it fastest. Till now, only 3 people are correct. Parv and Manthan, type your roll number. Parv and Manthan, type your roll number. Okay. You see, when input is 5, then output will be 6. And what will we carry? Carry is 0. When input is 8, then output is 9. And carry is also 0. When the carry will result? Carry results only when A, B, C, D is equal to 9. We are incrementing. Only when it is 9, the carry will result. So, when it is 9, A is true, B is false, and C is false, and D is true. So, condition for the carry is condition for this is this. I am not saying that this is wrong. It is correct. But it can be reduced. No need to write B prime and C prime. Reason? If A and D are both 1, then B and C has to be 0. Is it correct? Why? Because 1, BC1, if we put B or C not equal to 0, then the number will not be a BCD number. Hence, this can be reduced as AD, greater than or equal to 10. Padula, BCD number cannot be greater than or equal to 10. Yes. These the things are all right to you. So, condition for the carry is this. Now we further proceed. UVHM is increment of BCD, ABCD, carry is P. Now we shall try to write down what are U, V, H, M and T. Okay, we shall study them. What happens when a BCD number is incremented? Before that, we shall see what happens when a binary number is incremented. Binary number PQRS is a binary number. Let 1 is added. Now, let X, Y, Z, W is obtained. And carry is S. We shall try to write down. Arey, kaun karega? Who will take the modulo 10? Is it correct? We have to design a small Boolean expression for it. We cannot take modulo 10 type of things. Now, We have already seen that the condition for the carry S is X dot Y dot Z dot W. Now let us write down other conditions. What is W? What is Z? What is Y? And what is X? In the context of binary number, let us study them. Any binary number is given 1101 and add increment. We are incrementing it. Can you tell me what will be the last bit? That is correct. Very good thing. It is confusing. Type roll number. These type of things people should respond. Carry should not be S, right? S is last digit of PQRS. Rohit and Sudarshan, type your roll number. Mistake, you should always point it out.
Sir, also the carry would be PQRS and not XYZW.
What is the problem in this? PQRS is an input and XYZW is output, and there is something like the carry. In place of S, writing carry S. Let me write down X, Y,
Sir, I
Z.
meant the carry equals to P into Q into R into S.
Oh, that is correct. It should be corrected. Yes. Type roll number. Yes, and the carry will be, what is carry? U. Suppose carry is U. U, V, W, H, M, carry is G. The condition for the carry will be PQRS. Who was speaking? You tell the
Sir, Parv, I have typed my roll number 33.
What is your roll number? Parv?
33.
33 Parv, eh? Okay.
Yes,
Yes, but you see, problem was this, that others also wrote it. Gaurav also wrote it, and Tamanna also wrote it. So I am not recording it. Is this correct?
okay, sir.
And rather than speaking, you should have typed. Now we shall see further. Fine. When it is incremented, then what will be last digit? Last digit will be complement of S. If last bit is 1, then it will become 0. And if the last bit is 0, it will become 1. So as far as the last bit is concerned, it is always complemented. What about second last bit? When 1 is added to it, here second last bit is also complemented. And now let us study this increment. Here it will not be increment. So if the last bit is 1, then we shall complement second last bit also. And if the last bit is not 1, then second last bit remains as it is. So as people have written it, that it is X XOR and R. Sometimes people also write it XOR SR. Is this all right to you? Okay. Now let us see the condition for Y. You can see very easily, if the last both the bits are 1, if R is also 1 and S is also 1, then it will be complemented. Then Q will be complemented. And if opposite of this holds, R dot S naught then it will remain as it is. So as people can write it, RS XOR Q, and one can also write it R dot S dot Q prime plus R dot or S dot, any one of them is 1 followed by Q. And similarly for X, it will be Q dot R dot S. If all three of them are 1, then it will be same X, same P. Otherwise, it will be, if Q is 0, R is 0, or S is 0. In that case, it will be P prime. Is it correct? So it is very simple. Now let us see in case of BCD number what happens. UVHM is increment of BCD, carry is T. And what is T? We have already seen that the T is AD. It was reduced from A, B prime, C prime, D. It was reduced to AD. Now what will be M? Can you write down what is M? You see, BCD number is ABCD. In where you are making correction, Gaurav, it is QRSP prime. What is QRSP prime? Good thing. Who corrected it? And let me see whether you are the only person who corrected it. QRSP prime. QRSP prime. Few people even wrote it earlier. And Gaurav corrected it, then Padula corrected it, and we shall see. So many people corrected it. So let us forget about it. Now, what is M? It is a BCD number. Let us take an example. Let us study this. Plus 1 is what? This is equal to 0, 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. Plus 1 is what? Can you tell me what is 1, 0, 0, 1 plus 1? Let me see who can type it. Fastest. One zero zero one plus 1 is what in the context of BCD numbers? Here the BCD is going on. BCD. Many people wrote it. Yes. This is 0, 0, 0, 0. And carry is equal to 1. 9 plus 1 is 0. With carry is equal to 1. Fine. In that case also, D is complemented. So this is D prime. Do you realize it? Now, what will be H? H will be similar to this. When S is 1, then C is complemented, and when S is 0, C remains as it is. Let us see whether this holds or this does not hold. If this is 0, so C remains as it is. But by chance, if this would have been 1, So this will be complemented. Is this correct? So what is the condition for H in case of BCD number? Let me see who has typed this first. Any person, please type it. The condition for H in the context of BCD number. Type it. This condition will hold when the number is not 9. And if the number is 9, then it will be simply 0. So, if A, B, C, D is not equal to 9, then P XOR C. And if it is 9, then 0. So, this should be multiplied that it is not equal to 9. And the condition when it is not equal to 9 is what? Okay, can you write down the condition when A, B, C, D is not equal to 9? A prime or D prime is sufficient. If either A is 0 or D is 0, both of them should not be 1. If A is 0 or D is 0, if one of them is 0, number is not 9. Because to become number 9, both A and D have to be 1. And why we don't need anything extra? Is it correct? A is 0 or D is 0, our number will be 9, not 9. Fine. If we would have written here only A prime, then what harm it would have created? If the number is, we are simply writing A prime. If A is 0, number cannot be 9. Fine. But why do we need D prime? Because if the number is 8, then also the problem will come. Fine. Now, we shall write down V condition. What is V condition? What is V condition? Let me see who can type the V condition fastest. Can you write down V condition? Let me see who can write down the V condition.
Sir, please scroll.
I am scrolling. It is the last line. No, they can be reduced. As many people, many of you have written it like this, that it is C, D, XOR B. If C and D both are true, then it will be B prime. Or, and if either C prime or D prime holds, then it will remain B. And this formula will become valid when it is A prime or D prime. Probably all of you mean this. Is this correct? Who was speaking? Scroll on. Who spoke? But it can be reduced. It has lot of scope of reduction. V condition can be reduced. Why? Why A prime plus D prime is not needed? Can you tell me, Rishit? Rishit, you have written the correct answer, but reason is not correct. That is correct. BC is already 0 in 9. So what is going to happen? Can you understand what Rishit has written? Rishit will type the roll number, and after Rishit, Gaurav, Gaurav, and Sikhar, Shriyansh will type the roll number. 4316. And Shriyansh also. Yes. One thing should be noted here. Here, A prime or D prime not needed. Is it correct? Now, in H, when A prime plus B prime is removed, then A and B both are true, means 1 BCD, 1 BC1. In that case, C complement take place. which is not desired, because which will make it 1. Now, why it is not needed here? When it is removed, then what will happen? When BCD1, in that case, V will be what? In that case, V will be, if B is, in that case, B and C has to be 0. And when B and C is 0, then remaining part will be 0 and it will not be required. So can you understand this? This was an important aspect, that A and D, A prime, D prime is not needed. This is what is to be understood. This is really not needed. Have you understood this? Is this correct? This is what one should realize. Now, have you understood it? Here, this is not needed, so this gets transformed to this. Now, I am going to ask a simple question to all of you in a separate sheet. Let me ask it here. Input XY, output Z. Z is 1 when X is equal to 1 and Y equal to 0, or X is equal to 0 and Y equal to 1. Now, can we write a Boolean expression for Z? Let me see who can type it fastest. Very. Don't use XOR today. Is it correct? Let us not use XOR. We have learnt XOR sometimes, but let us not use it XOR. Okay, fine. Many people have answered it. Amara, you are writing X plus Y. How it is possible X or Y? Amara, you are wrong. Amara, do you realize your mistake? Amara, do you realize your mistake? How are you writing X or Y? What is the harm in X or Y? X plus Y? Amara, do you realize your mistake? Yes. Now, Z is equal to X prime Y or Y prime X. All of you can understand this. Now I am asking you the next question. Do it now. Input P, Q, output R. Z is 1 when P equal to 1 and Q is equal to 0, or P is equal to 0 and Q equal to 1. Input P, Q equal to 1, 1 not possible. Can you write down the Boolean expression now? Yeah, that is correct. Correct. They are. Yes, many people corrected it, so I am not recording the roll number. Fine. So, when input 1 1 is not possible, so take at 1 1 also 1. Is it correct? So our expression becomes P prime dot Q plus P dot Q prime or P prime dot Q prime. When some input is impossible, so let me take output is equal to 1 on for that input. So, and this is equal to P, and this is equal to P or Q. Is this thing has been clear to you? This is what you should realize. Similar type of thing has been done here. How we can drop out the condition? Similarly, we shall try to write as u equal to what? Let us try to write down the condition for u, and let me see who can type the fastest. Type the condition for u smallest and fastest. Till now, all are wrong. Till now, all are wrong. Till now, all are wrong. But let us forget about it. What is this P prime and P which I cannot understand here? We are talking about A, B, C, D, and from where it is P is coming. Till now, everyone is wrong. Think about it. Now, Avisk and Mayank typed it first, and rather Avisk and Mayank etc. typed much later. So Avisk and Mayank, type your roll number. Mayank and Avisk. Basat, Avisk. Now, let us see when you will be 1. If B, C, D, if number is 7 or 8. When 7 is incremented, then MSB will be 1. When 8 is incremented, MSB will remain 1. When 9 is incremented, MSB will become 0. So the U will become equal to B dot C dot D, or it is 8. Condition for the 8 is A dot B prime or C prime and C prime and D prime. But you see, here B prime and C prime is not required. Why? Because if A is 1, then B and C has to be 0. So B prime and C prime is not required. This can be reduced to B dot C dot D plus A dot D prime. Is your doubt clear? Now, you might have asked, you might have typed many things in the chart and I could not pay attention to it. So if you have any question, you can ask again. Someone was telling me to display the slide of this. I am displaying its slide. Any question you try to ask. So is the increment process for the BCD has been clear to you? Or any doubt? Otherwise, let us proceed further. Okay. Let me proceed. Binary number. ABCD less than or equal to 7. Type condition. It is very easy. BCD number, ABCD less than or equal to 7, type the condition. Same, very good. Same, very good. Now, binary number greater than or equal to 7. Type this condition. Type this condition. Someone typed it. Okay. What will happen in case of BCD? So you should be quite comfortable with this kind of calculations. Is this correct? How does the BCD number behave? Now, we shall see what is A plus B prime C prime, which Pradula, what are you writing? Think about it. Think about it. Now, let us do this. Binary number A, B, C, D plus 3. Each PQRS carry Z. Now, can you write down what is Z? Write down Z. No, this is not Z. Till now, no answer has come. It is binary number, not BCD number. You see, I wrote binary number, not BCD number. Is this correct? Yes. So Z is 13, 14, 15. What is S? S is equal to what? Type S. Okay, so you can do the practice of this type for binary and BCD number. And it is quite much required. The reason is this, that the last time, did you remember that I gave you an example of when the addition of two BCD digits was done. Condition for the I was wrongly taught in the class, and many of them accepted it. It should not be the case. The class is over, any discussion can be done. Class over. Class is over. Any question you can ask. Any question? If you want any question, then you say, I want question. Otherwise, I will leave. If any person is interested in the discussion, then type your roll number. Otherwise, I am leaving.